Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see. If you want to book a tarot reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want, okay? Let's see. What's there for my Aquarius? December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Aquarius. At the back of the deck, we have the Nine of Swords energy. So, might be feeling a little bit of anxious, a feeling of anxiety, depressive feeling. Might be because of some situations around you. In the past, we have Five of Wands, the Sun and Queen of Swords. It feels like you were involved in some kind of a discussion. It might be a situation where you were just discussing about something and all of a sudden it turned into an argument or a fight. Okay, it could be like that. In the present, we have Six of Cups, Seven of Swords and Five of Swords. This situation in which you entered into that fight, it might have went really long way. It was like, it could be a cold war between two people, between two situations. You or the other person, might be a love situation, might be something in relation with work, finances, but that thing is making you mentally feel very much worried. There is a feeling of deception from the other person and you still think about that situation a lot in present. In the coming future, we have Four of Swords, Three of Swords and Four of Wands. So it feels like things might be changing for you, but you have to go through some situations before that. You have to go through a process, you have to go through some word to word, might be a fight again, or might be a resolution which you need to settle, otherwise it will not settle by itself. Okay, let's clarify your reading now. Why the Nine of Swords energy is here? Overall energy for my Aquarius. Why the Nine of Swords is here? Eight of Cups, the Sun and Ace of Cups. You want to leave the situation right now. You want to leave the situation, but it might not be happening right now. You want to leave and you want to start a new chapter of your life. If this is a new love thing, if this is a love situation, you want to just end it now and you want to start a new love, a new chapter, a new life, a new journey again. You do not want to stick in the past. You do not want that. We'll check. Five of Wands. Why the Five of Wands is here? Two of Swords, Justice and Ace of Swords. I think that clarity came. It actually came to a point that you were able to end that stuff. It was required and time also came, but somehow, when we are not ready, it might be like you were not ready at that time when you wanted the settlement, and when you wanted the settlement, the other person was not ready. So it could be either of the cases, because the things could have ended long back, honestly. Why the Sun energy is here in the past? Strength, Knight of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Yeah, that is why the Sun energy is here. That Sun moment, that moment of things settling came towards you, but somehow you just either you ignored that hint from the universe or you ignored something. Queen of Swords, Temperance, Queen, Page of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. It's showing again and again the same thing. Same, a person coming towards you with an offer, but you, I think you were the one who was rejecting, or you said no to that offer. Then you became the one, no, now I do not want it, let's fight. You know, that feeling, that kind of a situation. Six of Cups. Why the Six of Cups is here? The High Priestess, Knight of Swords. Some Knight of Swords and the Emperor. Somewhere you feel that, you know, you knew the answer. You knew that things needed to settle. I think that in your present also, you used to feel that things were needed to settle long back, but somehow it couldn't happen. Your intuition is talking to you. Your inner self is talking to you. Tell me about the Seven of Swords in the present. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. I think you are doing something right now. Why you are wanting to change the priorities, why you are wanting to end this now, because you are seeing your good bright future in front of you and you are working for that. All those anxiety issues which are coming to you, I don't see that, you know, it will not help you ending the process. The only thing which will help you is being consistent in your problem, in your situation, in the finding of the solution in your problem. Being consistent in that. Keep on working, you will definitely find a solution to your problem. Five of Swords, Two of Cups, Lovers, and Four of Cups. I feel again that you are ready for that partnership again. You are ready to take a decision now, but there is rejection from the other end at present as well. But you are looking at your mental peace and your stability in life. So that is why I feel that somewhere you are not ready to, if the rejections are coming from the other end, you are not ready to accept those rejections, and you will keep on moving. If you will stop, things will stop again, and it might take again a very long way for the things to end again. Four of Swords. The universe is not saying to stop. Universe is not saying, definitely, I don't see that, you know. Universe is telling you to keep moving on. Think about the brighter future in your life. Do not think about the things which are happening. You might be on the low key right now, but it's not going to be forever. Three of Swords, Nine of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. Yes. So from the outside, it may feel that you are the one who is actually losing the game, but you are the one who is winning the game. Wow, this is such a beautiful energy with the Page of Wands as well. You know, you are passionate about it. You know that I need to end stuff. I need to these things to end. This might look as a temporary victory to the other person, but it is a permanent victory to you. Wow, awesome reading, Aquarius. Four of Wands, the Fool, Page of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles. I see you as a very busy person now. You are going to be, you know, you will be very much involved in your stuff, in your professional, your personal and professional life. You are ready to move on with a new beginning, and you are ready to learn new things in life. So this is what you have planned, and that is what you will get in the coming future, my dear Aquarius. Okay, so that is all from my side for today, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.